Be on the lookout for bird flu. That's the message today from officials in New York. Environmental officials say bird flu is worse in the winter because cold weather preserves the virus. But it's not easily passed on to people. You can only catch it if you're in close contact with infected animals. So officials warn to be very careful if you find one.
If you have a suspect high-path avian influenza bird on your property or a carcass that you want to get disposed of and DEC is not collecting it for a sample, we recommend that you wear gloves and eye protection, double bag or triple bag the carcass, and put it in the household trash for delivery to the landfill.
CDC data shows as of late December, there were 37 cases in animals in New York, 2 in Vermont, and 1 in New Hampshire. You can find a link to report a suspected case at our website, WCAX.com.